But yeah, so moving on to our next game, it's called Two Truths and One Lie. So to understand a little bit more about your journey with Main Street, we're gonna play this game. Whether it's challenges or your biggest achievements, the idea is you give us three statements from which two are true and one is a lie, and then we have to guess which one is the lie.
We sold shoes to Narendra Modi. One of my biggest investors fucked me up 3 months post fundraise and said to me that I'm writing off this investment as bad judgment of character. And I have advisory equity in a phone company.
Wow, interesting.
Third one's possible because he's close to Carl.
Yeah.
Two truths and a lie. Okay.
I think I'm gonna say the lie is the third one.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna go with what was the first one?
Selling shoes to Narendra Modi. I think
I'm
it's so
gonna go with the
outrageous.
first one.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
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 Well, Narendra Modi wouldn't wear sneakers. I don't.
Why not?
We
You know
sold
what, that's
shoes
just
to
not-
all kinds of
I-
people.
I would
Yeah.
I'd
What is
rather
his job?
avoid on a public platform speaking anything further.
Fair enough. But very high chance that he could have bought some as a gift.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's
We've
true.
sold shoes to people around him. So
Close
it's
enough.
close enough.
Maybe it's reached him eventually. Someone else bought it.
So then I'm definitely right.
Yeah.
But so you've got advisory equity.
Nothing. Else.
Yeah.
Actually, all of nothing's YouTube with me.
Oh,
No
sick.
way.
Like the initial idea, strategy was
Super
big dream
cool,
come
yeah.
true for me, dude. As a kid, like just being able to see like that phone on launch day would be exciting for me. Like when I was doing phone reviews, I went to the OnePlus 5 launch.
Yeah.
And Carl was there. And I was just excited to be in like an auditorium with 5,000 people.
Yeah, that's.
But now
that's
Carl and I are
insane.
like Carl and I are boys, dude. It's sick. Whenever they're
That's
doing things, he listens to me. It's crazy. So they did that. We're doing a video with him. He's whatever doing for the new phone also. Like I set up the next 2 videos we're doing in India. So it's crazy to me that he like.
How did
listens to
that relationship begin?
Yeah.
Big hustle, man. So they were in town for the Nothing Phone 1 launch. A friend, Cecilia took
Yeah.
me, Yeezys, you come to Soho, I went. And then the launch party was the next day, which Karan Johar was hosting. And I was like, Cecilia, can you please take me? She said, okay. And that's where I met Dippy. That's where I met Carl. Carl and I were just chatting outside, and I was getting to know him, and he was, and we were getting along. And this photographer came to take a photo of us, and we were posing, and then somebody else joined, and now it is all of their investors and me at the center of this image. It has now done the rounds on Twitter. It's Nothing Investor
Way
Success
too.
Party with me in the center of this image. So I had to clarify on Twitter, like, guys, I don't have the money, nor would I have the option to invest, but it was very nice to be here.
Yeah.
And then the next time I was in London, I went to dinner with Carl, and I was giving him some very unsolicited advice. And I was like, dude, Nothing is such incredible community. You all should do more YouTube. And he said, why don't you come to the office and do like a brainstorm with the team? So I did that. And then they started, and the first video was him reviewing the iPhone 14 Pro, which blew up. And he sent me like a message saying, bro, thanks, Steve. And I was like, that's crazy.
That's mad.
And every time he would come to India, I'd give him some ideas, and he started taking them, and he saw them work well. So now for this new phone, also, we're doing something pretty cool. Him and I are doing a video together.
Oh, nice.
Really nice. Really
Yeah,
nice.
that's good.
That's a great story.
Yeah.
It was just a dream come true. Like,
Yeah.
pitching myself. Like, I'm such
It
a
didn't
big
just come
nerd.
true. You made it happen, but
Yeah.
yeah, super cool stuff. Cool. Let's go to our next. Oh, sorry. finish.
I was just gonna ask the second thing. Was your investor?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
It's terrible.
Oh God.
Horrible.
I forgot like you
Yeah.
don't want to go.
Oh,
deep
okay,
into
sorry.
it.
It's not much deep to go. It happened. If it helps, we're fine now.
Okay, yeah.
And
Then that's good.
Yeah.
he might lead my Series A. So it decent turnaround.
Good turnaround, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.